Suzuki just changed the game. The 2026 RMZ 1050 isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete revolution in motocross engineering. Hey everyone, you're watching Next Gen Reviews, and today we're breaking down why this might be the most impressive dirt bike Suzuki has ever created. Design. Right off the bat, the design is stunning. Suzuki has crafted an incredibly sleek profile that doesn't look like it's cacking over 1,000 cc's. The signature yellow plastics have been refined with aggressive bodywork that improves both aerodynamics and rider ergonomics. The lightweight composite subframe reduces overall weight significantly, while the redesigned fuel tank sits lower, dramatically improving the center of gravity and handling. Performance. Let's get to what matters most: performance. The 1050cc four-stroke engine is an absolute powerhouse. Suzuki engineered this beast to deliver massive torque at low RPMs while maintaining incredible top-end speed. Advanced engine mapping gives you multiple riding modes, from smooth trail cruising to full competition aggression. The power is intoxicating, yet surprisingly controllable. Features and technology. Technology-wise, Suzuki hasn't held back. Premium KYB suspension offers exceptional adjustability for any terrain or riding style. There's traction control that can be fine-tuned on the fly, a full-color TFT display, and even quick shifter technology for seamless gear changes. The Brembo braking system provides phenomenal stopping power with excellent feel. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki RMZ 1050 sets a new benchmark for performance dirt bikes. What's your take on this beast? Let us know in the comments. If this review helped you out, hit that like button and share it with fellow riders. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews and ring that notification bell for more cutting-edge reviews. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.